This is Marie Kathleen on her birthday, December 21st, 2012. She's got hiccups. Hi, sweetie. Those pretty eyes. She was born at 5:43 this morning. And she weighed 7 pounds, 6 ounces, and she measured 20 1/4 inches. And she's just beautiful.